Well, I had a car wreck when I was in my 20s, and from then on had deteriorating bone and lost quite a bit. And eventually in my 40s, it got infected. I found Dr. Baker and Dr. Koo, and we went ahead and started talking about the implants and went ahead and went with them. I was very excited to get this going because I was missing quite a few teeth. Hadn't really been able to eat well in quite a few years. And went ahead and had the procedure. Years and years I've put up with terrible teeth and not been able to eat anything normal for years and years. And since getting the implants in, it's completely changed. I mean, back to being a normal person. I mean, back to being a 20-year-old again. That's not a bad deal, you know. Makes you happy. That's a big deal. Yeah, I had the all-on-5. It's you go in, you have the surgery in one day, and it's pretty well that simple. The recovery is a few days at the most of just a little pain and not that much. I never even took a painkiller, so. Well, Dr. Koo cares about his patients, and he's going to tell you exactly what's going to be done to you, how it's going to be done, how long it's going to take, and everything that he does is going to be done right. And that's exactly why we came here.